Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all well at your home. So, today we are going to continue with our tenses chapter. From that, I have taken one of the smallest topic, you can say, simple future tense. So, we are going to start with the simple future tense. So, what is the future? All you know that future means that has not happened still, that will be happened tomorrow or any other day, that is unpredictable thing. Okay, future means tomorrow, present means today, and past means yesterday. Okay, so we are going to start with the future tense, simple future tense. So here are the rules. So first of all, three things are there. First is a positive sentence, second is a negative, and third one is interrogative. So first we will see the positive one. So first of all, subject should be there. Just say I is a subject. Will or shall we can use. Will shall we have to use with the I or we, and other will should be used with the another things like he, she, it. But now the trend is changed. We usually use will with all kind of things, with all kind of pronouns. Clear? So that's why here with I we have used will. So first of all, subject will or shall plus verb first form or base form. Here base should be there, not bear. Okay, base should be there. I will go. Go means go is a verb's first form to the Thailand, that is object. Clear? So I will go to Thailand. Clear? So first of all, subject, after that will, after that verb first form, after that Thailand is a object. Clear? So we will see some examples. Suppose you will win the exam. So you is what? You is the subject, will is the helping verb, win is the verb's first form, the exam is the object. Clear? Next, I will see you later. Yeah, I shall see you later. Okay, both you can use, but just because the trends are changing, so according to the new trends of English grammar, so we have to use will over there with everything. Okay, so I will see you later. Next, she will help him tomorrow. She is a subject, will is a helping verb, help will be the verb's first form, and after that him is the object. He will be there soon. So he subject, will is the helping verb, be is the verb's first form, and there soon. Clear? So next, negative one. So first of all, in the positive we have seen that subject plus will shall plus verbs first form. Now subject plus will not plus verbs first form. Suppose I will not go to Thailand. So verb first of all subject, after that will not go should be used, after that will not should be used, after that go is the verb's first form, and after that you have to use object. Clear? So we'll see some examples. You will not go to school tomorrow. So will not should be used if negative is there, so this is a negative sentence. Next, he will not call us. Next, she will not make coffee. Okay, if we will convert into the positive, she will make coffee. Birds will not fly in the sky. Birds will fly in the sky. It will not rain next month. It will rain next month. So negative or positive, both aspects you have to consider. Okay, now the third one is the interrogative kind. So it will be started with the use of will. Okay, first of all will should be used, after that subject. Okay, after that verbs first form, and last Object. Will you go to Thailand? Suppose these examples are there. It will rain next month. So will it rain next month? Just like this you have to convert, and after that you have to put question mark. So from will you have to start. Will plus subject plus verbs first form plus object plus question mark. So we'll see some example. Will I play football tomorrow? Will I play football tomorrow? Next, will you speak English? Next, will you purchase new car? Will she make coffee? So these are some examples of interrogative. So here are some practice questions that I have given to you. These are the positive ones, and you will have to convert all these sentences into the negative as well as into the interrogative. So this is your homework. So you have to do it on your practice notebook. Don't do it on the fair notebook or a classwork notebook. You have to do it on the practice notebook, so it will be more clear to you. Thank you so much.